still, I mean, this guy straight up is feeding
Kenneth
bugs.
underscore JP says horsetail.
He's feeding bugs to spiders, and he's putting everything in his mouth and eating it. Did you eat these two, Kenny? Did you eat this, Wind?
No.
Would you ever eat this?
Yeah, why not? I
Oh.
wouldn't mind.
Oh, wow, okay. Bold. This is how, like, stuff like COVID starts. Just saying.
Oh no.
Putting stuff from nature in your mouth. Do you want to be patient zero that bad? Wind?
I feel like this is a process by which humanity has discovered, like, all foods.
It is. And imagine how many deaths occurred as a result of this process, this scientific process of stick food in mouth. Does die?